Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Apple CarPlay with your Mercedes-Benz MBUX. So I have this iPhone and I have this cable. So what you need to do is you must have this cable which you generally use to charge your iPhone, and one end is USB-C cable. So this end you need to connect here. There is outlet for your USB here, so I'm going to connect it here, and the other end you need to connect it to your phone. So connect other end to your phone, and once you connect both, you can see one end is connected to my iPhone, other end is connected here. I can see on my MBUX screen this kind of message which says data protection statement, Apple CarPlay. I can decline and end, or I can accept and start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press on this start button, which is going to start the Apple CarPlay, and then you can see it says unlock your iPhone to start Apple CarPlay. So I'm going to just unlock my iPhone here, and now I can see that my iPhone is connected to my Mercedes-Benz MBUX screen. Right. So here you can see I have the access to all my favorite apps like Maps and my podcast and other Apple apps. I can also just move my finger like this and I can open all the apps which are supported by Apple CarPlay. So let's say I want to open Google Maps here. I'm going to open the Google Maps, and then I can search for some place. Then I can use my Apple phone on my MBUX screen as a navigator, or whatever apps you want to play, you can play from here itself. Now if you want to go to the main screen of your Mercedes-Benz MBUX screen, just press on this home button. So just press this and I'm in my original MBUX homepage. And then if I want to just go to the Apple CarPlay screen, then this is the option. You can see this says Apple CarPlay. So when I press here, I am once again in my Apple CarPlay screen, right? So this is how you can use Apple CarPlay on your MBUX screen on your Mercedes-Benz. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.